Hoces del Duratón, Segovia, Spain. I got to spend a beautiful getaway surrounded by the immensity of nature and people who know how much we need to appreciate it. I've always been shy about singing, especially alone. When I joined this retreat, I was interested in Kirtan. I didn't know what it was. So apparently, it's a Sanskrit word that means narrating, reciting, telling, describing of an idea or story through singing and music. This was a marvelous opportunity to join others in singing. When we visited the San Frutos church, we found the keeper, and knowing it was a very special place, we asked if we could actually sing inside. You can actually hear the singing in this video. Las Hoces del Duratón hosts a colony of griffon vultures, a bird with a wingspan of 2.3 to 2.8 meters. The female griffon vulture begins courtship by performing graceful aerial displays, and the male tries to follow as close as he can. If he does so, they will mate for life. This trip could only end up by watching the sunset over Las Hoces.